Well, just been out this morning, got this nice roebuck. Here he is. Tried to clean up a bit so that Facebook doesn't get too offended, but we wanted to show you this new Apex Auto Click. I say new, they're not that new, but we've had them on the website for a little while, but these are awesome. So I just tried this out for the first time. Connects into, well, any car that has a boot that opens. I've even managed to get it into my Discovery. And yeah, clicked it into there, comes up, clicks into where the boot closes, and then the weight, and then you put a pin through here, and then the weight of the deer pulling the door down then pushes against that, and it locks up, and it can take up to almost 200 kilos. The advertising videos have like 4 or 5 roe on there, but just to give you an idea, this is a nice big healthy roe buck, and he's hanging brilliantly. Keeps all the mess away from the truck because it hangs out that way. What a cool idea. I love it. And it just packs down into a bag this size. Packs down into that, fits straight into my truck box. What a cool little idea. I love that. And for 80 odd quid, can't go wrong. Perfect.